Ahoy, fellow adventurers, and welcome to Alvinsa, your compass to limitless creativity. Today, get ready to set sail on a journey of architectural innovation as we reveal the transformation of not one, not two, but three ordinary shipping containers into extraordinary two-story tiny homes. From the commanding presence of the Helm to the sleek design of the mainsail and the cozy charm of the anchor, these vessels are redefining the possibilities of modern living. Of the three, the first one we will visit is the Helm. Using just two shipping containers, one 20 and the other 40, the Cargo Home team was able to craft the containers into a stellar tiny home. The exterior of the home is clad in cedar siding, but the designers decided to leave space so that the original containers underneath are still visible. The home's main entrance is through the original container doors. On the far end of the tiny house, the steel panels were removed and replaced with a full wall of glass, allowing natural light to flood the interior. On the inside, the home is clad in pine shiplap painted white, and 100-year-old barnwood was used as an accent feature throughout. The beautiful tiny home features a spacious living room and fully equipped kitchen, along with two large bedrooms and two full-size bathrooms. The bedroom on the first floor is beyond the kitchen, while the second bedroom, which is on the upper level, is reached by a spiral staircase. The master bedroom is a gorgeous space that opens directly onto the large rooftop deck. Installed with LED lighting that wraps around its custom cable railing, this deck is perfect for entertaining friends or simply sitting down with a good book. Sturdy and portable, these tiny houses might have an industrial look and feel, but can be fitted with top-end luxury finishes and turned into beautiful weekend homes or vacation rentals. One such home is the mainsail from Cargo Home, a model that started life as a 40-foot, 12.2-meter shipping container and is now a stunning, fully functional compact dwelling with a main floor bedroom and rooftop deck. The team at Cargo Home gets very creative with shipping containers, and though their tiny homes are not built on wheels like the majority of the portable models available on the market, owners can easily relocate them with the right trailer, which makes them an excellent choice for vacation rentals. Moreover, considering the containers used to ship cargo across the ocean, they were built to withstand extreme weather conditions and offer incredible ruggedness here, which is available for nightly rental through Airbnb. The repurposed shipping container the mainsail is based on has been carefully insulated and paneled in pine shiplap on the inside, with 100-plus-year-old barnwood trim and beams for a rustic touch. The exterior is finished in cedar siding combined with the original metal container. One of the highlights of this tiny home is definitely the rooftop deck, which is a wonderful spot to breathe in some fresh air, admire the outdoor scenery, and spend time with your loved ones. A spiral staircase leads up to the deck, which is surrounded by custom metal safety railings with cables. The builder installed LED lights under the top rail, creating a beautiful glowing ambiance at night. While the exterior is modern and industrial, finished in gray and black tones, the interior is warm, rustic, and incredibly inviting, crafted with great attention to detail. There is plenty of living space, 320 square feet, and the well-thought-out layout comprises all the main areas of a conventional home. It has a beautiful kitchen, a cozy living room, a separate private bedroom, and a functional bathroom. A red full-light single door leads inside the home, where you first encounter a U-shaped kitchen that is equipped with basic appliances but offers plenty of functionality. A full-size sink, a portable single-burner induction cooktop, a microwave, a coffee machine, and a mini fridge are enough for guests to whip up meals during their stay. Custom-made black cabinets offer plenty of storage, while the epoxied barnwood countertops and open shelves made of the same material enhance the warmth of the space. There is also a beautiful barnwood accent wall in the kitchen that adds architectural interest and rustic charm. At the other end of the kitchen counter, there is a breakfast bar with seating for two individuals and hand-spun copper pendant lights. While most tiny homes utilize the breakfast bar as a multifunctional area where occupants serve all their meals, The mainsail tiny home also has a separate dining area with a table for two overlooking a window that offers beautiful views of the outdoors. The living room is located at one end of the container house and is furnished with a sectional sofa and an entertainment center with a motorized TV lift. When not in use, the TV sneakily slides down into the cabinet below. The bathroom and private bedroom are at the other end of the house, keeping everything on one level. The bedroom is spacious enough to fit a queen bed, two bedside tables, and a small built-in closet for your clothes. A beautiful barn-style door gives you privacy at night. The bathroom past the kitchen is decently sized for a tiny home. Not too big with unused space, yet not too small to feel cramped inside. In terms of fixtures, it has a flush toilet, a full-size tile shower with glass door, and a vanity with sink and mirror. And the last one we visited was the Anchor Container Tiny House. This stunning tiny container home is built from a 20 shipping container. It's called the Anchor, created by the Waco, Texas-based company Cargo Home. You can get this cute tiny house for rental through Airbnb. This tiny house container has 160 square feet of floor space and also, surprisingly, has a 165 scoffed rooftop deck. So there is enough room for you and your loved one to enjoy the sunsets every single evening. The complete shipping container measures 20 feet in length and 8 feet width. The only entrance to this tiny home is a massive double glass door. Cargo Home places the original metal container doors and replaced the metal panels with glass to get some attractive natural view. Also, they allow maximum amount of natural light into the house. You can use those sets of stairs to reach the rooftop deck. The cable railing system with LED lighting will provide more safety and allow your guests to enjoy the party safely. This cargo home features a living room, kitchen, refrigerator, bar with dining space for two, and a bathroom with toilet and custom-tiled walk-in shower. Inside the living room, they provide a custom Murphy bed, so you can easily turn that compact furniture into a sofa in the day and a comfortable queen-sized bed at night. The kitchen also features an induction cooktop and a large-size single-bowl sink. Finally, this cute container home provides more freedom and some incredible views from the rooftop deck. Would you stay here? Check out the Anchor Container House on cargohome.com. Join us on this remarkable journey as we navigate through the realms of sustainability and innovation. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay tuned for our exploration of 3 shipping containers into double-decker tiny homes by Cargo Home, the Helm, the Mainsail, and the Anchor. Fair winds and smooth seas await.